In this beginner's guide, I'm going to show you how to add a new sheet or tab here in Google Sheets. So what are sheets? These are individual tabs in one spreadsheet file. Like in a notebook, if we would compare it into a notebook, your spreadsheet file would be the notebook and your sheets would be your pages. So these tabs or sheets act as pages within just one file or one notebook. Each sheet contains rows, columns, and individual cells within that one file. And the reason why you use multiple sheets is to organize different types of information, again, within that one file. So where do we find our sheets? They're found right at the bottom of your spreadsheet. So right now we have one sheet. That is the automated name for your sheets whenever you add one. So automatically when you open a spreadsheet, you will have your sheet 1, which of course you can always rename. So how do we add a new sheet? Well, there are 3 ways we can do this. The first one would be to go to Insert here in the menu bar and select Sheet on the 4th row. Now, if you pay attention to the right side, it will also show a keyboard shortcut that you can use to add that new sheet, which is our second method, and we will try it after this. But first, if we click on this one, there we have it. It automatically opens our second and new sheet, which is named Sheet 2. So this is our Sheet 1, and here's our Sheet 2. There you have it. Now you can enter new data, which will still belong to that one file. And that's our first method. Our second method would be our keyboard shortcut. So if we press Shift and F11, now you can see that we've added another sheet, which is our sheet number 3. So sheet number 1, sheet number 2, and sheet number 3. And our final method, and probably the easiest one to do when adding a new sheet, would be this plus sign right here. It would automatically say when you hover over it, Add Sheet. So if we click on this, we would have sheet number 4 right here. And there you have it. 3 easy ways on how you can add a new sheet within your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. Now, if you need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.